shall indeed grow in grace and beauty, loved by all who meet her.
It's a lovely gift.
Before the sun sets on her 16th birthday, she will fall into a sleep like death. The princess can be woken by true love's kiss.
Камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, все твои обещания, пустота.
Hello, Godmother.